Hey there, today we're talking about how to griddle chicken fajitas on the Flatrock griddle. I'm using the Traeger Flatrock griddle that they gifted, but you could use whatever sort of flat top grill you have outside. So the first thing you're going to do is start griddle cooking the fajita vegetables, and you're going to want to add some cooking oil or butter to coat the griddle, and then you want to drop the peppers and onions onto the heated griddle. It's heated about medium high. Then flip them around and season them with salt and pepper. Add some oil here and there if you need to keep them from sticking. They're going to take about 15 minutes to cook. When they start cooking, that's a good time to move on and start to griddle the fajitas. Griddle the chicken fajitas. Here we go. Cooking oil or butter to coat the griddle, and then drop the chicken breasts in a flat layer onto the heated griddle. I like to keep the griddle burner at about medium-high to medium. You definitely don't want to overcook and dry the chicken, so use a little oil or water to prevent the chicken from sticking to the griddle as you need to. Griddling chicken for the fajitas takes only about 10 to 15 minute tops. It's very fast, and during this time your veggies will finish cooking as well. So it should all come together in about 15 minutes on the griddle, which makes this a super easy recipe even if you're new to griddling. It's really important to cook chicken thoroughly, so you're going to want to keep breaking up any pieces that stick together and flipping them around to make sure all sides are cooked on the griddle. Like I said, use a little olive oil use a little water or avocado oil or something if you need to prevent the chicken from sticking to the griddle. It's kind of natural with the seasonings that it might stick a little bit here or there. So you want to use a thermometer to test the chicken breast to make sure that it's completely done cooking. And if you need to, throw a little water like you see here onto the onions and peppers griddling as well. Alright, and when they look as good as this and they measure out completely done, it's time to take the griddled chicken off of the flat top griddle and assemble your meal. Now, I do have a lot of really delicious fajita side dish ideas. You can check out all of those recipes at Sip Bite Go. But I like to serve these with things like lime wedges, sour cream, a little cotija cheese, obviously some avocado, some lettuce, some flour tortillas, corn tortillas, all the fixins. But I do have a whole list for you that you can see at Sip Bite Go. All right, let me show you what it looks like when we took the chicken fajitas off the griddle.